Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can shift the pitch of your sound that you're playing in Unity. Let's get right into it. So you've got a video game, and there are going to be certain sound effects that are played many times throughout the course of the game, like a jump sound effect or a slashing a sword effect. So I've got a button here with a sound. And the sound sounds fine. However, if you were to constantly hear that throughout the course of the game, it's going to get very repetitive and might get annoying. There is a really simple fix to this problem. And what we can do is we can shift the pitch of this sound whenever we play it, so each one sounds a little bit different. So let's quickly go into how we can go about doing this. So my current setup is, I have a little script that just plays one sound, and I have a button on my canvas that calls a play sound function. You will need to put this code in your project where you are playing sound. And this is the script I have. Really simple script. We're literally doing audio source.play one shot and then an audio clip. Firstly, we want to do serialized field float pitch variance equals 0.05. We'll make it a serialized field so we can edit it in the inspector. But this is going to be how much our pitch can vary on both sides of 1, which is the default pitch. So if it's 0.05, our pitch can be 0.95 to 1.05 when we play the sword sound effect. Then we're going to do these two lines of code. Float random pitch equals random.range 1f minus pitch variance 1f plus pitch variance. So this is going to get a random pitch within that range based on our pitch variance. And then we do audio source.pitch equals random pitch. Then we can do audio source.play one shot sword clip. And if we save our work and go back into Unity, and we'll go to our sound script in the editor, we're going to make this 0.5 for now, just so we can really see the code in action. And now I'm going to save the work and press play. And I've also got the audio source here so we can see the pitch change in action. As you can see, and hear, each sword slash sounded different, and you could even see the pitch value change. Now obviously you probably don't want to have this much pitch variance because it will sound very different. But if we were to put this on to 0.05, then press play. Each one does sound a little bit different, and you can obviously tinker with the value to make it whatever you want. But this is a really quick game developer trick to have a bit more variance in your sound effects without adding in loads more audio files. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.